Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make histogram graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the histogram graph. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the recommended chart option. Go to the all chart. Now I am select the histogram graph, then click OK. Now we can see we insert a histogram graph. Now I am select the title and rename this title. Now I am write my histogram title. Then select the chart. You can change the color, style, mode. Then go to the design menu and change the style of the chart. Now we can see we make a histogram chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.